Welcome to today's video on combinatorics, the fascinating branch of mathematics that deals with counting, arranging, and combining objects. At its core, combinatorics asks the question, in how many ways can something happen? This might sound simple, but it underpins everything from computer science and cryptography to probability theory and genetics. A permutation is an arrangement of objects where order matters. If you have 3 books and want to arrange them on a shelf, you have 3 factorial or 6 possible arrangements. As the number of objects grows, these numbers explode incredibly fast. A combination, on the other hand, is a selection where order does not matter. Choosing a committee of 3 people from a group of 10 gives you 120 possible combinations, calculated using the binomial coefficient formula. Then there's the multiplication principle. If one event can happen in m ways and another in n ways, together they can happen in m times n ways. This simple rule is the backbone of combinatorial thinking. Moving deeper, Pascal's triangle beautifully organizes binomial coefficients and reveals hidden patterns connecting combinations, probability, and algebra. Graph theory, a major branch of combinatorics, studies networks of connected points, with real-world applications in mapping routes, social networks, and internet architecture. The pigeonhole principle tells us that if you distribute more objects than containers, at least one container must hold multiple objects, a deceptively powerful tool for proving mathematical results. Modern combinatorics also explores combinatorial optimization, finding the best solution among finite possibilities, which drives algorithms used in logistics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning today. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.